This feels like a very good occasion to have a look at certain food items that are wonderful for you to eat when intending to drop some weight. These kinds of foods will help you to get rid of unwanted fat quicker. The actual truth is that eating a healthy meal and exercising coupled with drinking plenty of water are not the only things which you can do to help you to slim down. Adding a few of the following foods to your diet plan might equally help to fast-track things. Green tea. This highly revered drink has long been known to have pretty healthful benefits for hundreds of years. Even current scientific studies are indicating that green tea is excellent for increasing the metabolic rate. This is due to the fact that it has catechins like epigallocatechingalate, or This is an extremely powerful antioxidant that is known to burn off fat and can as well assist to stop the creation of new fat tissues within your body. You can very easily switch to using green tea in place of your usual tea. This will certainly help in increasing your antioxidant intake. Salmon. This unique seafood has pretty good amounts of healthy proteins as well as fat, mainly the omega-3 fatty acids. You can use it to very easily substitute red meat in your everyday dishes. Numerous scientific studies reveal that the intake of oils from seafood in combination with regular physical exercise is considerably more beneficial for metabolizing fat compared with simply doing exercises alone. Spinach. Spinach is yet another fantastic superfood that has very decent amounts of folate, vitamin A, thylakoids, and iron. This superfood is really nutritious and filling and is equally great for losing weight as they add quantity to your dishes, in so doing minimizing your overall calorie intake. Women in a study were given 5 grams of thylakoid dietary supplement. The scientists discovered that they had a reduction of about 25% in their hunger levels during the day. The women on the supplement at the same time lost a lot more weight when compared with the ladies who did not make use of the supplements. Garlic. Garlic is called a wonder herb and has been used through the centuries for managing numerous ailments including inflammation and infection to even hypertension. Garlic contains an ingredient known as allicin. This is what gives garlic its potent aroma and also flavor. Allicin is a great antioxidant which assists to eradicate dangerous toxic compounds as well as other free radicals from your body. It's equally proven to help increase the body's rate of metabolism. Eggs. Eggs contain pretty high quantities of choline that has been proven to considerably decrease excess fat in your body. They also possess lots of lean protein, which help to make you feel satisfied for a longer period of time. This has the advantage of assisting you to consume a lesser amount of food through the day. An excellent combination with egg dishes will be including whole milk, a great supplier of the amino acid carnitine that increases energy generation, and also caffeine coming from your coffee, a fantastic stimulant for fat breakdown. Oats. Oats are generally seen as a superfood which will help you improve your weight loss. Regular intake of oats, plus various other whole grain foods, has been found to get individuals feel a lot satisfied for much longer durations. It is also known to supply a kind of slower burning energy during the day. Moreover, the fact that oats contain more fiber compared to refined foodstuff like beta-glucans, they thus assist to boost your metabolic health. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is made up mainly of acetic acid, which helps to slow down gastrointestinal draining. It's today regarded as one of the most powerful calorie-burning food when it comes to shedding weight. It has been shown to be effective at boosting the body's fat-reducing ability by close to 40%. Apple cider vinegar equally slows down the discharge of glucose into the bloodstream whilst also helping to stabilize blood glucose. Bananas. Most people regard bananas to be the perfect pre- or post-workout snack since they are crammed with glucose. This basically gives you a fast boost in energy. Other than that, bananas contain very good quantities of fibers and are equally very nutrient-rich, as a medium-sized one has great amounts of vitamin C, copper, vitamin B6, magnesium, potassium, and manganese. Avocados. Avocado is a highly crammed carbohydrate-containing food that is stuffed with wonderful quantities of beneficial fatty acids. Avocados possess very good quantities of monounsaturated and oleic fats. Consumption of avocados has equally been shown to assist in the decrease of food cravings. They can as well help you to decrease visceral fat, since they contain good amounts of vitamin B6. This vitamin has been demonstrated to restrain cortisol, which is a hormone that promotes extra fat buildup in the abdominal areas. Lemon water. This is one other good strategy to increase your daily water consumption. Lemon water has a great taste and can very easily help you to minimize the temptation of consuming sugar-filled soft drinks. Consuming lemon water could also assist you to feel fuller and therefore unlikely to go nibbling throughout the day. Besides water being good for your metabolic processes and also increasing your body's general capabilities, the additional lemon equally contains decent quantities of D-limonene, which is a really potent antioxidant with excellent anti-inflammatory qualities. It's likewise known to assist in removing toxic substances from the body.